Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable policy endorsements with Allstate, full guide step by step clearly. To enable policy endorsements with Allstate, start by logging into your Allstate account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your account. Look for the Insurance tab on the main menu. Click on it to access your policy details. Select the specific policy you want to modify. In the Policy Overview, locate the Endorsements section. Click on the Add Endorsement button. A list of available endorsements will appear. Review the descriptions and select the endorsements you want to enable. Ensure you understand the implications of each endorsement. Once you've made your selections, click Next to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm your choices. Review your endorsement selections one last time. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button. Your endorsements will now be applied to your policy. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages or emails. If you need assistance, consider contacting Allstate customer support. Keep a record of your endorsements for future reference. You've successfully enabled policy endorsements with Allstate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.